Hey guys, I am LeondraNicole. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back, babes. So today by the title, you already see what the bleep is going on. Your girl is doing a fashion haul. So y'all already know Black Friday just left, so this is a Black Friday haul. Like, this is everything I bought from Black Friday, and I'm gonna be doing a haul to show you guys what I got. I hate when Siri be like, It's like, girl, you got an attitude? Hello. What do you mean? Ooh, this is a lot of stuff. This is a lot of stuff. Let's get to game.
Saying came in with an F fan. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't mow down and I ask a few questions.
I'm not gonna lie, I really do like this two-piece set. I am on my menstrual, so I'm a lot more bloated than usual. So that is that. It comes all the way down to my feet or whatever, and it's like flared.
Last week and they already best friends, Met last week and they already best friends, Met last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'm a pull up.
Okay. Let me give my specs about this. Automatically, I love the fucking top. It is so smooth. It's giving skim. It's giving skims, and I don't own skims, but it's giving skims. The material, the quality is everything. It snatches me in as it fucking should. Like I said, disclaimer, I'm a little bloated. It's the first day of my menstrual, and I am like, and I just ate, okay? I just ate, and I'm full. Your girl's still full, so love this freaking bodysuit. I got this bodysuit in a size small. These pants, however, I kind of knew, like, I love the make of these pants. Like, the make of these pants is phenomenal, but my body structure for this is funny. Like, it's really funny style. Like, it fits my thighs, my hips, kind of questionable. Like, I got this in a size 9. So, like, my butt area is not fit in my butt area the way that it should. And then the pants, when you sit down, like, you have to tie them. You have to tie the bottom part because tall girl friendly. I'm, for reference, I'm 5'8". So yeah, I really love this. This is super cute. I'm actually really happy that I got these pants. Usually the back part isn't fitting, and I can still tuck my hand back here, so I might have to get them tailored. I don't know if I will just yet because it's not terrible. And like I said, I am bloated right now, so once I come down a little bit from swelling up from my menstrual, then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with the pants. But now that I'm thinking about it, I should have got this in a 10 and then just got them tailored to my waist. It's Fashion Nova. I have to ask you, what the fuck? I absolutely love this, right? But this is in a size medium. It says that the set is a medium, 1 of 2 matching set. Size medium, right? Y'all, this is why I was about to rip the fuck up out of this. Tell me, and look, this is already ripped off of here. And I love this set, don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful color. What they say, y'all? Hold up. XS. That say extra small. I have not been an extra small in a very long fucking time. So I don't understand why y'all sent me that. Next.
Saying came in with an F fan. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't mow down and I ask a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends, Met last week and they already best friends.
Off the ripper, I love these pants. These pants don't fit as nearly as tight as the others, and I love that. Even the booty area is like, even the booty area is doing one of these. I might get tailored or I might not, I don't know yet, but these are really cute. Love these. Honestly, I might get a tailored because they're not terrible, but do I love them? No.
Met last week and they already best friends. She's a little Georgia State freshman. Told her
these pants is they cute. I feel like I'll wear them. I'm bloated. I'm tired. I love these. I don't know. I didn't know I bought so much clothes. I bought 11 pieces of clothing, and I'm literally doing a try on for every single piece. And my camera is on 6%. So this was a bodysuit. Are you kidding me?
Full at your place at 10. Girl, you look good. I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now. I don't take rest.
I know, like the boot shoe with this would eat. I love this bodysuit. It's so soft. It's not as snatching as the other bodysuits. Like it's not a Skims dupe. But y'all, this is tea. I'm not even cute. Like this is cute. I absolutely love this. Y'all been trying to get my grown and sexy era, and it's like manifesting right now. So I don't know how to feel about this one. I don't hate it. I actually really like it. Maybe it's because my hair isn't done. I don't know. I like it though. I know it's the exact shoe I would pair it with, and I'm gonna show you guys the detailing on it. So this is the detail. So this is the detailing on it. And I had a white dress like this years ago, and I couldn't fit it, and I was like devastated when I couldn't fit it anymore because that was like my go-to dress. So I'm glad that I found a dress, and I got some pretty little things, and it's still on the website right now. I should probably just buy a new size in it, but whatever. I really do like this. I think it fits really nice. This is something you can wear to church if you wanted to, because you can make it as long or short as you want to, and button it up as high as you want it. You can wear it to brunch. You can wear it to a friend's outing. This is a perfect Thanksgiving dress, honestly, if you're going to go meet your boyfriend's parents and family and stuff like that. It's a really nice dress for that. Even if you're going to like a little lunch date or something like that, this is still a little cute fit. I think that part is killing me. Like I feel like I would have to iron it so that part isn't doing too much. Even if I was to get this, altered to my liking, I feel like I could. But overall, I do like this dress. I don't know how much I paid for it. If I paid anything over $20 on a damn food, though, I'll let you know that, because it didn't give me over $20. We're just gonna move on to the next.
Asking questions at last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
So, out the ripper, y'all, this dress. Oh my god, I'm snagging on the dress with the fucking bracelet. Oh my god, I snagged on it twice. Okay, I fucking love this dress. Okay, oh my gosh, like it is giving everything that it needs to. It's giving body, it's giving cleavage, and it's giving hot and sexy. And that is just the look that I was going for. Like, I don't even have big boobs, y'all. I look like I have some cleavage going on here. I'm bloated, like I said. So it's, not giving as snatch as I would like, but y'all, it is giving. Like, what? Oh, this is one of my favorite items. Like, this is tea. Okay. So, let me show you the details. It's giving Hillary Banks. Okay, I'm giving Hillary Banks from Fresh Prince. That's what it's giving. And that's what it's supposed to give because she was rich. Whew. Y'all, I ain't tired. It don't look like I just sat here. Or maybe it do. I don't know. Let me not put my foot in my mouth. I just sat here and tried on 11 pieces of clothing. But I did. One didn't make the cut because, y'all. Do y'all know how hard I felt like I was claustrophobic putting on that dress? Anyways, thank you guys for sticking with me throughout this whole video. I hope that you guys enjoyed every piece. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, what you think you might have bought, or let me know, tell me what you bought from the Black Friday sale fashion, because when they said 85% off, I'm like, are you stupid? Of course I'm finna shop. But yeah, that pretty much concludes it. And if you are here from TikTok, hey boo. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, later babes, ciao.